Hey math fans! Welcome to Math Olympiad Academy, your trusted space for advanced problem solving and logical reasoning. We sincerely thank our subscribers and all viewers for your continued support. In Lesson 28, we solve in detail a simple first-order differential equation that, despite its appearance, demands systematic and rigorous analysis. In this problem, solve the differential equation. X times y prime plus 2 times y equals 4 times x squared on the interval from 0 to infinity, not including 0. Lesson objective. In this lesson, students will recognize a first-order linear ordinary differential equation, solve the associated homogeneous equation using separation of variables, apply the method of variation of parameters to construct a particular solution, combine both parts to obtain the general solution, understand why initial conditions must be placed away from singular points. To solve this first-order differential equation, x times y prime plus 2 times y equals 4 times x squared. We begin by solving the associated homogeneous equation, x times y prime plus 2 times y equals 0. Since x is greater than 0 on the interval from 0 to infinity, we may divide both sides by x. This gives us y prime plus 2 over x times y equals 0. This equation is separable. After rearranging it, we obtain d y over y equals negative 2 over x dx. Then, after integrating both sides of dy over y equals negative 2 over x dx, we obtain the natural logarithm of the absolute value of y equals negative 2 times the natural logarithm of x plus L, where L is a real constant. Using the property that negative 2 times the natural logarithm x equals the natural logarithm of x to the power of negative 2. We can write this as the natural logarithm of absolute value of y equals the natural logarithm of x to the minus 2 plus L. Now, exponentiate both sides. This gives absolute value of y equals e to the power L times x to the minus 2. Since e to the power L is always positive, and the absolute value allows for both signs, we absorb the plus or minus into a new constant c, which can be any non-zero real number. Thus, the homogeneous solution is y sub h equals c times 1 over x squared, where c is an arbitrary real constant. In this second step, we apply the variation of parameters method. That is, we assume a particular solution of the form y equals c of x times 1 over x squared, where c of x is a differentiable function to be determined. Now, differentiate this expression. Y prime of x equals c prime of x times 1 over x squared minus 2 times c of x over x cubed. Next, substitute y and y prime into the original differential equation. X times y prime plus 2 times y equals 4 times x squared. This gives x times c prime of x over x squared minus 2c of x over x cubed plus 2 times c of x over x squared equals 4 times x squared. Simplify term by term. The first part becomes c prime of x over x minus 2, c of x over x squared. The second part is plus 2 times c of x over x squared. Now, notice that the terms involving c of x cancel out, namely minus 2 times c of x over x squared plus 2 times c of x over x squared equals 0. What remains is c prime of x over x equals 4x squared. Multiply both sides by x. C prime of x equals 4x cubed. Next, we aim to find c of x. For this reason, in step 3, we integrate c prime of x. This yields c of x equals x to the 4th power plus a real constant k. Thus, the full expression for y of x is c of x times 1 over x squared, which equals x squared plus k over x squared, where k is a real constant, and x belongs to the domain from 0 to plus infinity, not including 0. In step 4, we write the general solution as y of x equals x squared plus k over x squared, where k is a real constant and x is a strictly positive real number. Now, in step 5, let us verify our determined solution. We substitute the expression for y of x into the original differential equation. After simplifying, the terms minus 2c over x squared and plus 2c over x squared cancel out, leaving only 2x squared plus 2x squared. This yields x times y prime plus 2 times y equals 4 times x squared, which matches the original equation. Therefore, the general solution is verified. Conclusion: the general solution is y of x equals x squared plus k over x squared, where k is a real constant and x is a strictly positive real number. I hope you enjoyed this step-by-step solution. Keep practicing, share this lesson with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Math Olympiad Academy for more exciting math challenges. See you in the next lesson!